Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mon. Okay friends, so today I am gonna show you how to crochet a puff flower. Yes friends, how to crochet a puff flower. Today I'm gonna show you that. Okay friends, for that tutorial, we need a wool, okay, a woolen thread and a crochet hook, and friends a scissor. Wait, okay friends, so let's get started. At first we create a magic loop. Okay, see friends how we create a magic loop, and after that we create two chain, one two, and total three chain is here. Okay friends, now okay friends, now here we take that yarn and pull up a loop, and then again yarn over, then pull up a loop, and again yarn over, then pull up a loop, and again friends uh, we create that for 5 times. So friends, then friends, take this yarn and within this loop, friends, then we take this yarn and pull this yarn from that type of loop, and friends, lock, and again friends, 1 2 3, make that 3 chain, and here and here we locked the chain, and again 1 2 3, we create again 3 chain, and again we create 3 chain, and friends, again and do the same process for 3 times friends. See friends, my crochet puffing flower is ready. See friends, my crochet puff flower is ready. Okay friends, now I am gonna cut that yarn with scissor. Cut it, and then friends, and bind this yarn from here friends. And then friends, we can stitch lock here. Okay friends, here my crochet puffing flower is ready friends. I think you will love it and you will love my tutorial also. If you love my tutorial and my crochet puffing flower, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay friends, then goodbye. Ta-da.